Okay, this one. All right. So, okay. All right. So, can you please answer it again? Because I forgot to record.
I'm done.
All right. So, your answer for number 1 is letter A. Can you see water above the tables? All right. So, let's check. All right, so the answer is for number 2, letter A. Can you see water? So above the tables, you can see the water. And then for letter B, can you see fish and water around the table? So around the table. So the answer is all right, letter B. And then do the customers sit in hammocks, not chairs? Okay, letter C. And then, is it very dangerous to leave the table? Okay, so that is number 3. All right, now, task 2. Would you like to eat in this restaurant? Why? Why not? Choose a favorite. All right, so we have here vocabulary words. So we have customer.
Customer.
Next, we have
Compete.
compete.
Location.
Location,
Service.
service,
Gimmick.
and gimmick. All right. So let's learn the meaning of customer. So as when we say customer, it is a person or an organization that buys goods or services from a shop or business. So, you and me is a customer. We buy goods and services in the supermarket. All right, next, compete. When we say compete, to take part in a contest or in a game. Then location, a place where something happens or exists. The position of something. So, where is your location right now? So, you are in Vietnam and me, I'm in the Philippines. All right, the next service. So when we say service, to provide people with something they need. So they can provide people with something they need, and that is a service. Then gimmick. When we say gimmick, it is an unusual trick or unnecessary device that is intended to attract attention or to persuade people to buy something. Okay, so now all right, so here, competing for customers. There are hundreds of restaurants in a very big city. Often they serve similar food at similar prices. So how do they attract customers? So most restaurants try to offer good food and great service, and they hope customers come back again and again. But some restaurants offer a gimmick, something unusual to make their restaurant different from all the other. Match the names of the restaurants to photos. Alright, all you need to do is match again the letters to the pictures. So when we say gimmick, so there are restaurants who prepared gimmick. Then letter B, we have location, location, location. The letter C, are you sitting comfortably? Then work for your food. So your answer for letter A is number 2. Let's see your answer. All right. One is Zhao. Where is Zhao? Then Itha. Dinner in the Sky. This is the name of the restaurant. Okay. Next, let's proceed. All right, so in reading strategy, when you have to complete sentences with information from a text, start by deciding which part of the text contains the information you need. Remember that the sentences follow the same order as the text. All right, so here, read sentences below, ignoring the gaps. In which paragraph of the text A to D can you find the information? All right, so for number 1, it is difficult for restaurants in big cities to attract. What is that? Letter A, B, C, and D. You choose. Mike, are you done?
Not yet.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Teacher, I'm done.
All right, so let's check your answer. So for number one, it is difficult for restaurants in big cities to attract customers. All right, so letter A. And then a gimmick is something to make your restaurant different from the others. So it's letter A again. So you choose only letters. All right, Elena, can you change your answer? You need to write only the letters. It's belong, if it is belong to letter A, competing for customers, location, are you sitting comfortably or work for your food?
I can relate it with Teacher, I'm done.
All right, so number 3, your letter is letter okay, B, then letter B again, letter C, and letter D. Okay, very good. Next, let's proceed to, all right, task 5. Complete the sentences, write 1 or 2 words. Okay, so that is the time that you need to write 1 or 2 words. So your answer earlier is a gimmick, something to make your restaurant different from the others. Then at if aha, you can have dinner at the table below the All right, Indian Ocean. Then you can experience dinner in the sky in 45 different countries. Then in Accra, you can have a meal inside a aeroplane. Then at BED in Miami, there aren't any tables or chairs for the customers. Then at Zao, the customers don't order your fish. They have to catch it. Okay, very good, Elena. You get the correct answers. Okay, so now let's proceed to another task. Okay. All right, so let's erase this one. Okay, next we have, all right, okay. Task 6, complete the definitions using the highlighted words in the text. So all you need to do is check or choose the correct answers from the box. For number 1, we have service is the help and attention you get in a restaurant. So that is the example for number 1. So you have words left, customers, chef, knife, fork, waiter, tray, and menu.
Done.
All right, so let's check your answer. So you have customer are people who pay to eat in a restaurant. Okay. All right, very good. Then you use a knife to cut food on your plate. Okay, then you use a fork to hold the food while you cut it. Okay, then you can use a tray to carry a lot of drinks at the same time. Okay, then a chef cooks the food in restaurant or cafes. Then the menu is a list of the food and drink you can order. Then a waiter serves customers in a restaurant. Okay, very good, Elena. You get the correct answer. So let's move forward to another task. Okay, so this is the... Okay, wait for a while. All right, so now let's proceed to task 7. Answer the questions. All right, now, on what occasions do people generally eat out in your country? So, Elena, again, on what occasions do people generally eat out in your country? Again, on what occasions do people generally eat out in your country?
Let me see.
Ai đi làm ấy, bây giờ làm mà cái đó phải đấy.
I think if in the holidays, people in my country don't usually go outside to eat, go out.
Then, what else?
I think it's only on third holiday.
Okay, so usually during that holiday because it's a long week vacation, so they can have time to generally eat out in your country. Okay, next, what kinds of restaurant are there in your town? So what kind of restaurant do you have there in your town? Or what restaurants did you already visit?
Tokyo, no, Tokyo restaurant,
Yes, Tokyo
Mm.
restaurant. What else?
Korean restaurant. I
Then?
think I think it's all because I
Again, what kinds of restaurants are there in your town?
I think it's 3. Tokyo restaurant, Thailand restaurant, and Vietnam restaurant. I think that because I just went there.
Okay, very good. Next, let's proceed to, is the service good there, do you think?
Mm,
They are good in service.
yes,
All right, Elena,
yes.
I will out in the Zoom because it's already 30 and please re-enter again. Okay, is that clear?
Okay.
All right.